In this video, let me show you how to sign out of your Evernote account. If you're trying to sign out for whatever reason, then in this video, let me show you the process of signing out of your Evernote account. Now, whether you have logged in to your Evernote account on the website or on the app, it's going to be the same process. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. For this video, I'm going to use the website. So search for evernote.com. Once you open up the website of Evernote, to log out of it, you'll need to head over to your email address, which is on the top left. If you click on this arrow beside your email address, this drop-down menu will open up, from where on the bottom, you'll be able to see an option called Sign Out. Now, there's no option of switching accounts. If you have multiple accounts of Evernote, you'll need to log out of the first one to log into the second. So just click on this Sign Out option. And as easy as that, you have been now successfully signed out of your Evernote account. So that is the process of logging out of Evernote. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.